People's Party, my colleague MDCs, party workers, and friends. My leaders from my constituency, today we here selected few leaders. We are coming here to witness this great day. Especially to Dr. Celestine Marngar and Gabriel Wala, my colleague MLA in the Congress Party. My deepest appreciation goes to one of the veteran senior most leader in the state, who is my mentor, my guru, I should say, Dr. Didi Lapang, whose guidance and mentorship have been invaluable. His encouragement to join the NPP has been a significant factor in my decision. Today, I am delighted to announce that I am not joining this party alone. I'm not joining alone, but as part of a dedicated team from Mawati constituency. This morning, I met with around 1,000 of my leaders, all of whom have shown their support for my decision. Without their backing, this step would not have been possible. My intention in joining the NPP is not for my personal gain. I'll repeat again. My intention in joining NPP is not my personal gain, but to strengthen the party, the National People's Party. I trust that our Chief Minister will address the development needs of my constituency, which has long been overlooked. I pledge to uphold the NPP's principle in Ribhoi and work diligently towards our shared goals. With 4 NPP MLAs from Ribhoi Center, I am confident that we will secure all 5 constituencies by 2012. I urge the press and media also this evening. Let us focus on the positive aspects. The positive aspects of our journey rather than dwelling on negatives. My mentor, Dr. Didi Lapang, used to remind me. I remember when we were together in the flight going to Delhi. He reminded me about one girl who wrote an essay. That essay says, gratitude is the memory of the heart. He always reminded me, Charles, don't miss to say thank you. And also he always reminded me, count your blessings. Nowadays, we have said, we cannot deny the fact that gratitude I should say, is very less in our hearts, in our daily life. My dear friends, I will not take much time, but I'm here today to join NPP. Sir, I can give you assurance that from today onwards, I'll try my level best. I'm here to work for the party, and also I'm here to work for the betterment of our people in the state as a whole. With these few words, once again, I thank you all, and also I apologize my media friends for the last few days. I'm very sorry. Thank you so much for your patience. May God bless you, and from now onward, anytime you want to meet us, our door is open. We will share with you our thoughts, how to go this way, a new way, with the National People's Party. With these few words, I forget to thank our Honorable MP.